Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're planning in my social media planner. We're going to decorate the spread for the week of April 5th through the 11th. And so this is the 2021 July start vertical lined colorful leopard planner. And I did redate it. So right now I think this is September of 2022. So today I'm filming on Monday, March 29th, and I am sick, so please excuse my hoarse voice and my stuffiness. I am in the middle of COVID, so I am a little bit out of breath too, so just trying to talk on this camera. So I'm going to be using Girl with Goals, the black and white sticker book, and the two pressed floral sticker books to create this spread. So I did go ahead and choose some stickers ahead of time. So we're just going to start laying some of those down. I'm going to play off, so this is going to kind of be like almost like a monochrome spread. It's going to be a lot of purples. So we'll see how this turns out. I'm not quite sure how it's going to look, but we'll see. So I saw, I don't know if you guys watched my other videos, but I've told you that Happy to Plan with Desiree, she is on the squad this year. She is really like inspiring me. I'm watching a lot of her videos on YouTube, and she actually combined these florals with the Girl with Gold stickers, and I thought it turned out so pretty. So that's where I got my inspiration from to do this color scheme. So on this side here, oops, I just showed you my stickers, but for my sidebar, the Girl with Gold sticker book has these daily goal stickers. And so I'm going to try my best. I was actually on a roll until I came down with COVID. Making sure that I posted to Instagram. I want to have YouTube videos for you guys every day. I want to have Instagram reels a few times a week. So I was doing great on all that, like I said, until I came down with COVID, but we're not going to dwell on that. I'm moving forward, but I thought it would be cute to do like a daily goal for Instagram, a YouTube post, and then do like a reel and just highlight the 3 days a week that I want to do reels. So we'll try those. And then I have this quote that says, "You can do anything." And so I thought that would be really cute to lay down here. And I'm sorry if you guys can hear my husband coughing. He's in the living room. I guess he doesn't want me to know that he has the man flu. So he's in there trying to be like Mr. Tough Guy and telling me he just has allergies, but I think he's coming down with COVID as well. So my oldest son, who is 20 now, and he is actually in a college here locally, he had COVID back in January, and he did very well with it. And nobody else here got it. So I know exactly where I got it from. My best friend gave it to me, and she's so sweet. If you're watching this, haha. But she didn't know she was sick, and so we got together last week for a few hours, and she messaged me that night and said, "I hate to tell you this, but I've got a fever." So I just quarantined because I kind of knew what was coming. And then she went and got tested the next day, and so she was positive. So I've basically been under quarantine since she told me that she had the fever. But I guess we're just going to pray that we're all safe and we get through this. And yeah, that's basically all we can do. So here we are. Y'all let me know in the comments, have y'all had the virus yet? And how did you do with your symptoms and whatnot? I'm just really tired. That's like my main symptom besides stuffiness. I'm just really tired. So and I feel kind of like harebrained, if that makes sense. So I'm just clustering like a lot of these monochrome purpley colors together, and kind of combining them with some florals. I'm not sure. I think I kind of want to do another floral down here at the bottom. I'm going to look in here and see what all my options are for these deep color purple flowers. I can't remember where they're at. There they are. So I think I want to use this. I'm trying to like not use the same exact stickers as what I've got up top there. But these are almost the same identical color. Why don't we... And these are the identical stickers, so I was going to actually use these two, but that's exactly what I did up there. Maybe I can just put another quote down here. Let's see what we can find. Let's see what's in this sticker book. There's got to be something small. Go get your goals, girl. How about that one? I like that one. Let's just put this down here. Just to kind of fill in this spot. Because I don't think that I want to put the same exact flowers. Okay, so that makes me feel better that that's down there. Now, let's just move to the other side and kind of do this same cluster thing. Except we'll do it a little bit opposite. Actually, I think I want to put one flower over here. Do I want to put it over here? I think I'm going to put it underneath this box. And let's just see how that looks. Maybe a little bit under this one. Not enough. I got to come up just a tad. Oh, that's the same exact flower I've got there. Let's get another little one. I kind of feel like I can't think straight. So I mentioned that in my other video. I'm like having a hard time kind of, I don't know if you want to say focusing, but maybe, yeah, focusing might be the word. So I don't know if I want to keep this here or not. I'm kind of not liking the double floral. It'd be nice if I had, this one's a little different. We could put this one back here. Let's see. I'm struggling. Okay, I think that's not too terrible. I think my main problem is I'm trying to be different this week, and I've used a whole bunch of colors and florals that are like out of my norm. So it's really throwing me for a loop. But I think that's cute. Y'all let me know what you think so far. Alright, so now I have this quote that says, "Don't wish for it, work for it." And then I'm going to put down here in this bottom corner. And I'm going to try not to cut off my letters. And we're going to let that one overhang a little bit since I overhung that one. So we're just going to overhang and let it be. And then I'm going to try to create the same type of cluster over here on this side that I did on the other side. So let's start with this one over here. And let's come off of this side with this box. Make sure I get that straight. And then we're going to do a gray box. And then I do have one other box that I can put up here. And just kind of make it go right in the same cluster, and then we'll come behind there with some florals. So let's try to go behind all these boxes with this. And so I don't know if you'll be able to, like if you mimic this spread, I'm not sure that you'll be able to put as many florals as I have. It just kind of depends on how much space you need to write your plans. So this is my social media planner. I don't need a ton of space. I mean, I do need space, but I don't need like a massive amount. So I can kind of go crazy with stickers without messing myself up too bad. But I really don't like that. Just forget I even laid that down. That sticker is way too big. Let's see what else we can find. I like big flowers, but those were way too big. So let's see what this looks like. I just kind of want to make a couple little flowers here. Okay, that's better. And then maybe let's go down here with one more. Maybe this. Thank goodness for wax paper. I kind of feel like you can't even tell those are flowers. But it is what it is. Okay. We got to use all the stickers, right? That's what I told myself I would do this time. Okay, so now I need my remember. Just like I did on the other side, except I don't want it to be the exact same. I just want it to look similar. I do not want it to be identical. And so let's put this little flag down here. Okay, and I got a couple little circles that I thought that I was going to use, but now I'm thinking I'm not going to use those. So let's see if there's anything else I can add to this spread. I don't think so. I think I'm just going to leave this alone. So let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider subscribing. Make sure if you're not following me over on Instagram that you find me over there. And this is it. So I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.